Good afternoon student, welcome to the VBPS learning classes. Today I am going to tell you some of the exercises of the practice assignment. In the previous video you all have written the detailed answer. Today you will do the practice assignment. In the previous video I have told you that in your SST book in the back side there is one small short book that is given some of the practice assignment there that also you have to do it. मतलब आपकी किताब के पीछे साइड में एक स्टिचेस हुए हैं, एक छोटी सी किताब है जिसमें प्रैक्टिस असाइनमेंट के कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं जो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. इफ़ यू हैव द बुक देन यू कैन सी इट, अदरवाइज आई एम राइटिंग इन हियर, you can see from the here. Now we come to the exercises. First, multiple choice question. The first question is, which of the following is a natural resources? Children, don't be confused. I am writing the 4 option also there. Now the first option is building, second is polyester, third one is synthetic, fourth one is soil. First, second and third, these 3 resources are made by the man-made resources, but the fourth one, soil, it is a natural resources. Second question, which of the following is a ubiquitous resources? यूबिक्विटस रिसोर्सेज का मतलब होता है कि वो रिसोर्सेज जो आपको हर जगह मिले. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ द सनलाइट, सेकेंड वाटर, थर्ड एयर, फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज़ ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो द आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दिस. सनलाइट, वाटर और एयर, ये तीनों चीज़ें हम लोग के लिए ज़रूरी है, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑल ऑफ दिस. नाउ वी कम टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट एन अबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज? अबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज मीन्स, in the previous video I have explained you about the abiotic. It means all the non-living substances. So here is the option: man, soil, rock, water. It should be man. Don't be confused. The question is given here not an abiotic. Abiotic resources नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो biotic पूछ रहा है आपसे. So you have to mark the third one, A, man. The fourth question, which one of the following is an exhaustible resources? In the exhaustible resources का मतलब होता है फ्लो रिसोर्सेज, जो हर जगह हो और कभी भी ख़त्म ना हो. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ द कोल, सेकेंड ऑप्शन ऑयल, थर्ड वन इज़ द मिनरल, फोर्थ वन इज़ द सनलाइट. द राइट आंसर विल बी द सनलाइट. नाउ वी कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See here. Pond, park and playgrounds are personal resources, national resources, community resources or the world resources. Answer will be the community resources. Community resources का मतलब होता है बेटा जो सोसाइटी के हर एक लोग उसे यूज़ कर सके. तो pond, park, playground, this is known as the community resources. Now our next question is the fill in the blanks. 5 question is there, you can see here. The first one is, coal and petroleum are form of the fossil fuels. In the previous video I have explained you about the fossil fuel. It is a natural fuel such as coal or oil that are formed million of the years ago from dead animals or plant in the ground. So our next question is, the stock of resources for future use is called the potential resources. वो resources जो हम लोग अपने future uses के लिए भी stock करके रखें उन्हें कहा जाता है potential resources. Third question, biotic resources are substances obtained from the living things. Fourth question, the pastoral resources are obtained from the livestock. In the previous video I have explained you about the pastoral resources, in which it including the animal product like the milk, meat, hide, skin, this all. So they are obtained by the livestock rearing, sheep rearing or the dairy farming. Our next question is mineral. Mineral resources are extracted from deep beneath the earth. मिनरल्स जो होते हैं वो हमें ज़मीन के अंदर से ही मिलते हैं. Now we come to the true and false. 5 question is there. You can see here. First question, agricultural resources included animal product. एग्रीकल्चरल रिसोर्सेज आपसे पूछ रहा है. एग्रीकल्चरल रिसोर्सेज पे बेटा एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. इट विल बी इन द पेस्ट्रोल रिसोर्सेज. इन द एग्रीकल्चरल रिसोर्सेज इट इज़ इंक्लूडिंग लाइक द कैश क्रॉप और द फूड क्रॉप. सो इट द आंसर विल बी फॉल्स. Second question it is asked, world resources are the sum total of resources of all the country. It will be true. World resources में सारे countries के resources includes हो जाते हैं. Third question, the stock of resources for future use are called actual resources. It should be false. Because I have explained you here that the stock of resources for future use are called potential resources, not the actual resources. Next question, land is an abiotic resources. It will be true. Last one, afforestation result in decreasing of vegetation's cover. Afforestation means planting the trees. सो हिट विल बी द फॉल्स, क्योंकि उससे वेजिटेशंस कवर होते हैं ना कि वो डिक्रीज होते हैं. इट विल बी इंक्रीज. सो दिस विल बी द फॉल्स. नाउ वी कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी हियर, मैच द फॉलोइंग. द फर्स्ट वन, फॉरेस्ट. it will be the biotic resources. Second, mineral. It will be the abiotic resources. Sunlight. Flow resources. Flow resources means where everywhere the resources has been found. Meat, it will be the pastoral resources. Clothes, man-made resources. So up to here you have to write, and this is the diagram that you have to draw it in your copy. You can see here in the blank pages you have to draw all this chart. Thank you class.